wait. We're going
What?
to have a race.
We're gonna have a race. Alright, pull.
Yeah, wait.
Yes. Alright.
Okay, I'll just need to get up in line with you.
David. Alright, where are we gonna drive? The quickest one to C. Charlie.
No, Alpha.
Alpha. Alright. Are you
First
ready?
one yeah. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
No.
Go. No, wait.
What?
No, goddammit, I pressed it.
Oh, okay.
I pressed the wrong button. Okay, drive.
Where's
No,
Alpha?
bitch.
Where's Alpha?
No!
I can't see where's Alpha at.
I have a shitty car.
I want to see Alpha. Alright, I see Alpha. Fuck you, Ole. No, fuck you,
I
Osbert.
pressed the wrong button.
I don't care.
No! Why do I keep hitting rocks?
I won. Yay!
No,
Winning.
Winning. Go to Charlie.
Winning. What? You said fucking Alpha?
No, we agreed to go to Charlie.
No, you said Alpha, and I was like, alright.
No, we agreed to go to Charlie.
Alright. Whatever. Oh my god, so many rocks. Who installed
I'm a
rocks in
Charlie.
this game?
I'm a Charlie. I won. No, what the?
Oscar, I have that on video. I know you said Alpha.
No, I didn't.
Who you did?
No, the radio was lying.
Who did? Why? There's fucking enemies here. Ah, what the fuck? Bail! That shit! Ah, I'm gonna die! I entered enemy territory.
Did you just jump out, jump in, jump out, and jump back in?
Yeah, panicked. Who's that? Who was the text you?
What do you mean?
Who texted you?
I didn't get a text.
That was your phone, right?
I don't know. Couldn't hear it.
Please check your phone. I heard it. I heard it.
Okay, it's just something from a game.
Alright.
Or was it really a text?
So, who was the text from?
No, my dad. And no, my dad is texting me dirty.
Okay.
You big fat faggot.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna put that in the video. Again.
Big fat faggot. Big fat faggot.
Oscar, I am a base raper.
You can't base rape when there's nothing to base rape.
No, I am the base. They're dying so fucking easy right now.
Yeah, but base raping is when you go to that base and take one of the vehicles. You can't base rape with just being at the base. Route 66, life is a highway. I won't ride it all night long. Oh, you know what? Bon Jovi is legendary.
Yeah, I have basically heard like 2 songs with him. Hvad for en Living Like a Player, I think it's called. Living Like a Prayer, or what?
Living on a prayer.
Alright.
Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand and we'll make it elsewhere. Whoa, living on a prayer. Don't you dare do it.
What?
Don't you dare do it.
Yeah. Alright, Ole, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Fire from the Sky multiplayer.
Alright, wait. Alright. I just need to. Give me a second.
Should I fly?
Nope. I can do it. Look, Ole.
Yeah, and I see that attack chopper.
What the fuck?
How did he get us? It was like one hit, bam. the heck impossible?
There was literally no lock on.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, I'm gonna ride with you.
How the fuck is that possible?